Good morning everybody. My name is Sai Rivera and today I am going to recite a poem named Let's Preserve Our Nature. So let's start our poem. So the sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying and the breeze is so cool. Mother Nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness, but what do? Make her a mess. We will try so hard to make her the best. By polluting less and less, we will preserve her green dress. For our kids and the rest. For our kids and the rest. Thank you.